I always get caught in the rain. It seems my heart stays in pain. I fall in love and I get hurt when bad luck hits. I get it first to try again. Seems useless now, I'll get hurt again anyhow, 'cause I always get caught in the rain. It seems my heart stays in pain. I always get caught in the rain. It seems my heart stays in pain. We dreamers have ways of facing rainy days, and somehow we survive. We keep the feelings warm, protect them from the storm until our time arrives. Then one day the sun appears and we come shining through those lonely years. I made it through the rain, I kept my world protected. I made it through the rain, I kept my point of view. I made it through the rain and found myself respected by the others who got rained on too and made it through. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what fool I've been. I wish that it would go and let me cry and then and let me be alone again. The only girl I care about is gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Rain, please tell me now that nothing fair. Her hair is still my heart away when she don't care. I can love another way, my heart somewhere far away. The only girl I care about is gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart.